Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change email address in PlayStation. The first thing you do is there are two ways you first need to access your PlayStation account, either on your console on the PlayStation app or the PlayStation website. Now if you want to access your PlayStation account on your console, simply go to settings, select use certain accounts and then select account, and then you have access to your PlayStation account. Now, if you're using the PlayStation app, simply go to Profile in the app and then choose Account Settings to also take you to your PlayStation account. If you're using the website, just simply log into your PlayStation Network account on the official website. So once you do that, you access your PlayStation account. The rest of the steps are the same for any of the three platforms you use to access your PlayStation account. So what's the step to find your account information? So locate the section for sign in ID. Section for sign in ID. After you've gotten into your PlayStation account, you look for the section for sign in ID and then you click on it and you change your email address by clicking on edit or a similar option next to your current email address. Then you enter the new email address in the provided field, confirm your password when prompted, and click on confirm or save. The next thing you need to do is to verify your new email, and this is done by putting in the verification code that will be sent to your new email. In this case, it's a verification link, so you have to click on the verification link that will be sent to your new email. Once you've done that, your email address will be successfully updated. It's as simple as that. Now, there are some important things you must take note of, one of which is ensure you have access to your old email address to receive the verification email. Then the next one, after changing your email address, it's recommended that you also update your password for added security. And always refer to the PlayStation Network Terms of Service for any specific restrictions or limitations regarding email address changes. By following all these steps, you should be able to successfully change the email address associated with your PlayStation Network account. So that is all it takes. That's all it takes. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change email address in PlayStation. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which you put up every day. Thanks so much for watching everyone. See you in the next video. Bye for now.